Oppo launched its new smartphone under K12 lineup in China called Oppo K12 Plus. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K12 Plus features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo K12 Plus sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6400 mAh battery, with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.5 by 75.3 by 8.37 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K12 Plus has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Basalt Black and Snow Peak White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K12 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.